Hello and welcome to Rockstar Manager. I'm your hostess, Dr. K, the management professor, and in this episode, we learn 5 different leadership styles in less than 5 minutes. The notion of leadership has been studied for more than a century, and we continue to be intrigued by various leaders and their particular styles. Here, we'll review 5 different leadership styles in less than 5 minutes. First, we'll begin with transactional leadership. This type of leader holds a position within an organization and is often a junior or first-time supervisory role. This leader is responsible for ensuring his or her direct reports achieve their predetermined tangible goals within a given time frame. This means each associate makes 10 widgets each week with particular quality standards. Once this team is operating like clockwork, with minimal errors and conflict, this transactional leader can begin to introduce various motivational techniques and embark on the journey to develop as a transformational leader. Transformational leaders take ordinary situations and transform them into extraordinary outcomes. They are known for motivating their employees. Research proved that this type of leadership style transcends disciplines and is effective in the workplace, in sports, the military, and in educational settings, among others. Instead of producing results that meet objectives, transformational leaders often create strong, cohesive teams that deliver exceptional results. The third type of leadership we'll review is servant leadership. At the end of the day, servant leaders work for the betterment of others. They put their organization ahead of their own self-interest. The notion of a servant leader, developed in 1970 by Robert Greenleaf, its concept evolved through various scholars, and what you need to know is that servant leaders empathize with their subordinates, attend to their needs, are inclusive, and work towards a worthy cause. Servant leaders are often associated with a service to others. Authentic leadership is the fourth leadership style. Here, this leader is genuine and sincere. You should expect this leader to be ethical, trustworthy, earnest, humble, and reliable. Authentic leaders have strong values and are confident in their beliefs. These leaders also frown upon negative behaviors, such as acting unethically or engaging in otherwise undesirable activities. Our fifth and final leadership style is situational leadership. This leadership style was originated by Fred Fiedler. Research shows that the situation and the leadership style should match in order to produce a successful outcome. If the leader isn't able to adapt to the situation, then a new leader may be what's needed for that particular situation. So if you know you're a good leader, but you just can't seem to get in your groove, it's okay, it's not you, just change the situation. These leadership styles are not mutually exclusive. You can exercise more than one of these leadership styles at any time, and that's actually the value that you bring to the table. If you're interested in learning more about leadership styles, you can find my book, Rockstar Manager, From Theory to Practice, at Barnes & Noble, or articles in the Journal of Values-Based Leadership. Thanks for your time, be your best you, and be a rockstar manager.